Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 and I will show you how you can find and open Equalizer and how you can set it up, the different modes in your Equalizer. So the first we have to be connected with Galaxy Wearable application. If you don't know how to make it, you can check our other video when we showing step by step how to make it. When you open the Galaxy Wearable application, you have to also open this charging case, and then you have to go for the earbud settings. Next you will find Equalizer right here. And as you can see here, we got the few Equalizer modes. So we got normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and the treble boost. And basically that's how you can switch modes in the Equalizer of these earbuds. After that, when you set up your favorite mode, you can just go back. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.